Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove object from our photo on Inshot application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Inshot application, and first of all, we can go to the photo section on Inshot. Then we're going to add the photo we want to remove the object from, and I'm gonna go with this photo. Then for example guys, I'm going to remove this book from this photo. We can click on the PIP option, and you have to add the same photo as you have added before, this photo guys, and we're going to zoom in like this to fit the screen. And after that, we're going to put mask to cover this unwanted object. Click on the mask and you can select the type of the mask you like, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and we can resize the mask like this. And we're going to take another part of this photo to cover this object. I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover this object. Then after that, we can click on this check mark and then drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Feel free to rotate the mask if you need, like this. Okay. And to make it more natural, you can adjust the lightness or the brightness. You can go to folder and select adjust, and I'm going to increase the lightness, for example. Okay, and I think it looks perfect. Then we can click on this check mark, and this is the result. Once you're ready to export this photo, you just need to click on save. Then the photo will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our photo on Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.